.9 on the Richter scale, baby. Oh, look at my house. My house is a mess. It's unboxing day here, so let's see what I got. Some toys for the van. I think that's mainly what I got in here. Let's take a look. They take this stuff. Oh. Well, there's a cover for my bike. Show how that goes. And a dog bone. I'll tell you what a dog bone is real quick. My camper has a 30 amp plug on it. Sometimes you get to the campground and the 30 amp receptacle isn't working. So I do have an adapter that I can plug into a 15 amp receptacle, but then obviously I have to really manage my power. Otherwise, you know, say if I try to run the microwave and the air conditioning at the same time, it's going to pop that breaker. But with this, I can plug my 30 amp RV into the 50 amp plug. It takes one leg off of this, makes 110 power. And then I can run anything I need to run. I call it a dog bone for obvious reasons. What else did I get? Bike cover, dog bone, I think. Oh, this is a heavy one. This should be a bike rack that goes in my hitch. At least I can't think of anything else that's going to be this big of a box. Lots of packing, of course. Remember that old gag where it'd be a box within a box within a box? There's another box. It's very well packed. Got banding on it. Oops. Oh, it says use no knives. I always use knives. Oh, look at that. The Swagman XC2. This is super well packed, so I don't think I'm going to unpack this completely on camera because that'd be boring. Let me get all this out of here and we'll continue. Et voila. The Swagman XC2. This is a hitch-mounted bike carrier for two bicycles because they never considered the needs of the solo traveler. That's everybody though. So I only need to put one bike on the van, and instead of carrying it around inside where it rattles around on curves and breaks up the wooden furnishings, I'm going to hang it on the hitch on the back of my van and transport it to the parts where I want to ride that way. Feels like time for a montage. Now there you have it. A look at the hitch-mounted Swagman XC2 bike rack. That normally retails for about 180 bucks. I got it on sale at Amazon for 140 bucks, give or take. So, what do I like about it? I like that the hitch pin that goes in there is threaded, which means it holds the rack to the side of the hitch pin so it doesn't rattle. It stays put. I also like that it seems pretty secure. It's very tight. It's very well built. And at a decent price point. I did do a lot of research on a lot of different models before I finally settled on that one. What I don't like about it, and let's face it, it's nobody's fault, the spare tire carrier, as you saw, blocks the inside position from being used. So I guess I'm only ever going to carry one bicycle. But hey, I'm only one person. I only need one bicycle. But I'll figure out something else to put on that inside position maybe. I got a little bit of room. May as well use it. But there you have it. What'd you think? Leave me some comments below. If you like it, like the video, subscribe to the channel to see more content like this, and ring the little bell so you get the notifications about it as well. Because why not? But thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the flip side, baby. Bye-bye. I gotta get back to work.